One of the ways that we build our list and get paid to build our list is to add two components to the process. The first one is to create a small low ticket offer on either the front end or on the thank you page. So let's say I'm going to do a free lead magnet. On my thank you page, I can have an offer there for a low ticket product. The other way is I could have a free lead magnet, and then in the follow-up, I could then start introducing people to my low ticket offer. That low ticket offer, by the way, could be a digital download, or it could be something, if you're a service-based business, something that you offer at a huge discount just to get in the door. So that's how you can build your email list and get paid while you're doing it. So listen, I'm pretty obsessed with email marketing and email list building. I've created a playbook and I'm giving access to it right now. And if you want access to it, head on over to emaillistplaybook.com. This is the same playbook that we use internally and we use with our private clients. I really think it'll help you, and I really think you should check it out.